Welcome, guys. My name is Chaumba Mbondo. We have the question that we're supposed to do here. This is from the topic called approximation. So we need to know how to find absolute error as well as percentage error. And this is something that we can do together slowly so that you get the concept. Okay, so let's get to do it. Let's get going. We start with the absolute error. Okay, so absolute error. So we say this is equals to what? Again, it depends. All right, we can say recorded value minus true value. Recorded value minus true value. Okay, so either way, you need to understand besides the answer of the absolute. So I'm sure even if we started with this one, it will still be the same thing. So the length of a sugarcane is measured. So this is the recorded value here. So which is going to be 2.6 minus 2.5. 2.5. All right. When we do the subtraction here, what do we end up with? We're going to end up with 0.1. This is what we call what? This is what we call an absolute error. This is what we call an absolute error. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have followed that one. I hope you have followed that one. Again, and by the way, for those of you that may know anybody, or maybe you could be the one who is writing your GCE exams this year, 2025, Mr. Piri and I do run online lessons in the evenings or at night from like 20 hours to 21:30, 4 days in a week. We are yet to increase the number of contacts. So please, if you are a working person, regardless of where you are, you can join our group and you'll never regret. You can get in touch with us on these numbers. I shall be able, or we will be able to give you direction on how to proceed. Please reach out to us. We'll be very grateful to hear from you. Back to the question. So we have percentage error now. So we say percentage error is equals to relative error multiplied by 100%. Now, what is relative error? Relative error is equals to absolute error over true value. Then this we multiply it again by 100%. So what is our absolute error? Our absolute error is 0.1. What is our true value? Our true value is 2.5. Then we multiply this by what? 100%. We could go further this. If you like this, you multiply each one of these by 10, because I mean, especially we're targeting the one that is below. It has got 1 decimal place. So if we multiply each one of them by 10, we'll end up with 1/25 multiplied by what? Sorry, multiplied by 100. This is going to be like 100/25. This will give you what? 4%. That is what is going to be the percentage error. Okay. The amount of error in percentage form is going to be 4%. Is that okay? I hope that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. All right. I hope that makes sense. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you that have managed to watch my video up to the end, I want to thank you very much and ask you to subscribe, share our channel, even our videos. We'll really be grateful. And don't forget to share the news with those of your friends that may be writing the exams. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much.